Hi, we're here at SLE Equipment in Antioch, Tennessee, just right outside of Nashville. Our number is 615-641-7720. Today we will be looking at a 7x16 Dovetail utility trailer with a side gate. At the front we have our jack coupler and safety chains, as well as the breakaway box. This trailer does come with pressure treated wood flooring. There is a tire mount on your driver front side. This trailer does come with tie-down points at the corners and back of your trailer. This trailer is equipped with two 35-pound axles with rear brakes on 15-inch rims and tires. This trailer does have the powder coated finish with corrosion resistance, chip and abrasion, and gloss and color retention. There is a rear loading ramp on this trailer. There is a latch system on your rear loading ramp, as well as the LED brake lights. This trailer is equipped with a 4-foot tall passenger front side gate. This gate is held by the latch, as well as a safety chain. Once again, this is a 7x16 Dovetail utility trailer. If you are interested in this trailer or any other trailer we have online, please give us a call at 615-641-7720.